Today, we're diving into how to sign into PlayStation Network on your PlayStation 5 and unlocking the full potential of your console. First things first, locate your user profile power on your PS5, and you'll land on the main menu here. You'll see all the user profiles. Choose the profile you wish to use or create a new one if you don't have an account set up already. Select your desired profile if you already have a user account. Tap or click on your profile icon within the main menu if you don't have an account. Tapping or clicking on it will show the Get Started options. This gives you choices based on your account status. If prompted to sign in, select Sign In. This will lead you to the Sign In screen, where you'll need to enter your login credentials if you have a pre-existing network profile. On the next screen, you will input your email address associated with your PlayStation Network account, and then select Next. On the next screen, input your password. Double-check that you've entered it correctly, including capitalization and special characters. Once you're sure your credentials are correct, select Sign In. If your credentials are correct, you'll be signed in. You'll now have access to online multiplayer, the PlayStation Store, and all the features that PlayStation Network offers. Congratulations! You're ready to game online and explore everything the PS5 has to offer.